Hello everyone, what we will be doing in this video is we will be scaling a NuMAD blade in Excel. Now notice how if you go to File, there is an XLS to NuMAD option. If you click on that, it'll ask you for an Excel file. And in our case, what we'll be doing is we'll be editing this NuMAD Excel file, which is in a very specific format. So I'll go ahead and open this file. Okay, so again, notice how it's in a very specific format, a lot of numbers, a lot of values. So if you change any of these values, what NuMAD will do is it'll read it and it'll know exactly what you changed. But in our case, what we want to do is we just want to change the blade span and also the chord. Okay, so go ahead and create this temporary column. And this temporary column, what we'll be doing is we will be calculating this new scaled blade span. So notice how right now the blade is at 61.5 meters. Now our goal is to hit 80.05, just an arbitrary number. And how you would do it is you can go ahead and go to equals, and then just the next cell times and then the ratio, right? So 80.05 meters divided by 61.5. Okay, so just multiply by this scale. And go ahead and double click on this corner square to auto calculate everything down, or you can just drag it down. Either way works, but I like to double click it. So go ahead and copy it and then paste the value. And now we don't need this temporary column, right? So go ahead and just delete this column. So now you just scaled the blade span. And what we'll be doing is the same thing for the chord. So go ahead and insert column equals neighboring cell times, you can be fancy about this. So you can multiply an arbitrary 1.15 times, and then let's say the same ratio, so 80.05 divided by 61.5, or divide. And you get that new value, double click on the corner, and go ahead and highlight this, copy, and then paste value. Okay. Go ahead and delete this column. Make sure you delete these zeros. I assume it's probably going to cause some errors if you just leave it as zeros. I think that's it. All right, so go ahead and Control S. So go ahead and save it. And let's go back to NuMAD. File, XLS to NuMAD. And so this is the edited file that I just stretched. So double click that. Usually NuMAD takes a little bit long to load this, maybe about 5 seconds to 10 seconds, depending on the computer. Mine's a little bit slow, I guess. All right, so hopefully you have this window completed without error. If it does, there's something wrong with probably the format. But without error, go ahead and click OK. And just to verify it, go ahead and click Previous Station to get to the very last station. And make sure that the distance is what you wanted as the final distance. Okay, so in our case, we wanted 80.05 meters. So in our case, this scaling worked.